Hello everyone, I'm Loes from Renswouw and I'm a PhD candidate at Eindhoven University of Technology. I'd like to tell you about Fontana, our design to trigger physical activity and social connectedness through an interactive water installation. Many of us spend the majority of our time sitting down and hardly moving. This physical inactivity and the resulting health concerns are a big societal challenge, and finding effective ways to promote healthy and active lifestyles is therefore an important goal in government practice and research. Through their design, urban environments can stimulate people to be more active. This can be used in active environment design and human-environment interactions where technology is integrated in the environment. These smart environments allow for new and more personalized interactions. In our research, we combine active and smart environment techniques in the public outdoor space to encourage physical activity. We call such places interactive environments. Accessible by nature, these environments provide a good base for inclusive design solutions. In this case study, we focus on the potential of water for designing interactive environments and how to strengthen social connectedness while adopting an inclusive design approach. For this, we designed Fontana, an interactive public installation that encourages active behavior and collaboration using the multidimensional attractiveness of water. Through different interaction possibilities, it targets diverse users, encouraging them to work together. The design consists of multiple fountains and pressure-sensitive floor tiles on a hard flat surface. Users can interact with the fountain by stepping, jumping or rolling over the tiles around the installation. As Fontana is an installation in the public space, anyone present should be able to participate, making inclusivity an essential design goal. To explore how users engage individually and in shared encounters, we used an iterative prototyping process. We first built a simplified prototype with a manually controlled small fountain to respond when users stepped on the tiles. Based on observations and user feedback, we made a new prototype with improved onboarding, a clearer change in behavior as a response to synchronized use, and a much higher fountain. Here, onboarding happened spontaneously, with passers-by stopping to try out the prototype and explore different interactions. We saw that the fountain sparked exploration and imagination. Participants enjoyed the freedom and playful exploration of different interactions. Based on the pilot studies, we defined interaction scenarios for the next prototype of Fontana. Several layers of interaction accommodate different types of users, stimulating both individual use and collaboration. Through Fontana, we studied the potential of using a physical embedded installation when designing for behavior change, and specifically the use of water. With this design, we aim to encourage playful interactions that help people to embed more activity into their daily lives. It also stimulates collaboration, which can enhance the interaction, lengthen the engagement, and bring people together. In the future, we will further explore varying feedback and interaction modalities to engage users for a longer time, to further increase physical activity, social connections, and inclusivity.